Hi everyone, my name is Pratheerth Padman and welcome to my course Formatting Excel Worksheets and Cells. Currently, I'm a freelance data scientist. I used to work in manufacturing, but because of my love for all things data, I completely pivoted to data science. Have you ever looked at some of those Microsoft Excel worksheet templates or seen a beautiful, well-crafted worksheet online and wondered how on earth it got to the point of looking like that from the plain vanilla worksheet we are greeted with in Excel? The magic lies in the formatting options available inside Excel, and helping you navigate that particular maze is what this course is targeted towards. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include formatting worksheets and workbooks, formatting cells and ranges, and customizing options and views for worksheets and workbooks. By the end of this course, you'll know the different techniques used to format your worksheets and workbooks to enhance professionalism and readability. There isn't a particular prerequisite before beginning the course, though a basic understanding of Microsoft Excel's interface would be very helpful. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to format Microsoft Excel's worksheets and workbooks with the Formatting Excel Worksheets and Cells course at Pluralsight.